What's going on, everybody? Just making a quick video here to show you why your engine is making noise. Actually, not your engine, but inside your cab. I was having a terrible vibration, not even a vibration, but a terrible noise, like a clicky, scratching noise inside of my Volvo. You could only hear it from the inside on the right passenger side. And, when you turn the AC on, it got even worse. When you turn it off, it got a little better, but it was grinding. It was like a big old grindy noise when I would barely hit the gas and move a little forward. When I hit the gas fully, it would go away. So I did a little research and I ended up finding out that this is a very easy fix. Anybody can do it with just a couple tools. It's 2 of your motor mounts on your left side when you're facing the front. And they're basically this one right here and then the one right underneath it. As you can see on mine, this whole piece was destroyed. And then this one, which is right underneath it, look at how much room it has. This should not have this big old gap where I can stick my finger in. It should be all the way up. And you should not be able to move this around. Look how easily I can move this around. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. You should not be able to do that. So real easy on how to change this out, just to show you guys. You just remove your cover, your engine cover, and then you're gonna have 15 screws here. These are 15 millimeter. You don't have to take these out first. First, you want to get this off. So you have a 15 millimeter here and a 15 millimeter here. In order to access it, you have to remove this, or actually just get it out the way, this coolant reservoir. So this is an 8 millimeter screw. You unscrew it. Make sure you get it out of here when you lift it up. Watch these cables here. You don't want to break them, so just move this cable out of the slot, and then you'll pull these two little levers out, and you'll just leave them on the side over here somewhere. Don't crack them, because they are plastic. And then you'll be able to wiggle this around and move it. You'll be able to stick a 15 in here and get it out. Then you'll be able to stick another 15 in here and get it out by just moving this around. And then you'll be able to remove this. Once you remove this, then start here with the 15, 15, 15. You'll remove this plate. There's another screw right here. It's another 15. You'll remove this and this plate will come off. And right under there is this big old hydraulic motor mount. And this is the one that was making the most noise, because initially I thought it was just this itself, the torque mount, because it was, look at it, it was completely cracked. See all that? That's a lot of play. Well, the culprit of why this cracked was because this right here, the hydraulic mount, was bad. Look at the play in here. Look at that. That is horrible. So if you ever hear your inside cab screechy noises, like your engine is bad or something is inside of the engine bouncing around, you first want to save yourself the most money and start by getting 2 of these genuine parts from Volvo. Do not go aftermarket. Aftermarket mounts are shit. They will not make a difference. Always buy genuine when you're buying motor mounts. Hopefully this helped you guys. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe for more videos to help you out. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments.